Today we started our coffee cart, and our students from the transition department are going around and they're selling coffee. They're acting as baristas, and they're doing a great job. They're selling the coffee to our staff and our faculty. They are giving the change, taking the money, giving the change, telling them what it costs, telling them how to pump it, how many pumps they get, and just greeting our staff and greeting our faculty and just being productive. Just teaching our students how to interact with other people, how to interact when they are away from school, and just kind of giving them an opportunity to expand their vocabularies. It goes towards our department, and we use it for different things that we might need in our department, including buying coffee and creamer, yes. They were excited about it, and they're really excited now because they see what they're going to be doing, so they're really excited about it. They can put this on their resume, like they may have an opportunity to work at a coffee shop or whatever, you know, interacting with people, being customer service. We haven't decided how often yet. This is our first day, and so we're going to see how it goes and determine how often we'll need to do it. Just happy to be able to help our kids learn how to interact and be productive in society. So yeah.